along. 2. Fasten your seatbelt, slide a flat metal end into the buckle. To tighten and pull on the loose strap to release it, lift up on the buckle. Position seatbelt side on low across your hips and make sure you wear it anytime you are seated. 6 emergency exits on today's flight. 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back. The signs overhead, the lights on the floor, they guide you to the nearest exit. In the case of an evacuation, follow flight attendant commands, leave everything behind. In the case of a water evacuation, use the life vest that is under your seat. Remove the vest only when told to do so. Pull the red strap, open the container, remove the pouch. Rip open the pouch, remove the vest. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, pull the loose end to tie in. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the life vest. Manually inflate below to the tube at your shoulders. Each one of your life vests is equipped with a light that turns on automatically in the water. Additional life vests will be distributed by a flight attendant. And if you have any questions regarding the use of a life vest on an infant, on a child, or even on yourself, you'll always refer to the safety information card. The flight attendants are making their way through the cabin. They are verifying seatbelts are fastened, seatback straight tables are in their full upright lock position. All carry-on items are completely under the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, making sure you are leaving the area around your feet completely clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is never allowed aboard an aircraft that includes our lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted information signs and posted placards. Crew members' instruction, including information on seatbelts, smoking, and alcohol. Folks, you are more than welcome to transport your own alcohol. You are not, however, allowed to consume your own alcohol aboard the aircraft. We do kindly ask you to keep it in your bags. If needed, you are going to see 4 yellow oxygen masks are going to drop down from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Remove the mask. If you are wearing mask, remove the mask you are wearing. Place the yellow mask over your nose and mouth, secured with the elastic strap. Breathe normally. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by uniformed crew member. And if you are traveling with any children or anyone else that needs special assistance, please make sure to put your masks on first. We are scheduled a total travel time of 1 hour 45 minutes. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. We are going to dim our cabin lights for the departure. If you require additional reading light, this is the time to reach up above you, push that button of the light bulb right above your head. And lastly, folks, we are here for your safety, so please, if you see something, say something. Alrighty, folks, so you've been cleared for departure. Double check your seatbelts. Enjoy the flight.
Brutal acceleration. Are they extended?
Huh?
Did they extend them? They called back, right?
Well, what does it look like?
No. See, the flap extends too. See that?
What does it look like?
Yeah. I'm sitting by the window on the way home.
What are you doing a short field takeoff?
Extension?
Yeah?
Did he do it?
Well, that's what you do in a short field takeoff.
Right, did he extend the flaps?
I mean, we do it sometimes.
Can you answer a question, man?
Well, what does it look like?
You're watching completely. You got it on film. Did he extend the flaps?
Can you see?
They seem to be extended, but I didn't see the actual motion.
Well, if they're extended, they're extended.
Ah, yeah. But you're saying you extend them on a short takeoff, but Midway is a short runway. We all know that.
Oh, no, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That plane just landed.
above 10,000 feet, you may begin using your larger approved portable electronic devices. The seatbelt sign is still on. Please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened. Even if the seatbelt sign is turned off, we encourage you to keep seatbelts fastened in case we encounter any unexpected bumps. 2 lavatories on today's flight, one at the front, one at the back of the aircraft. We ask you not to form lines, congregate at the forward part of the aircraft. There is a sign right above row 1 that will illuminate fully green if the lavatory up front is available. We do ask you to wait at your seat until the forward lavatory is available. We thank you so much for being with us today and the rest of the flight.